Hit it. Go, Keisha, go. Oh, she got it.
Now I'll braid your hair. No, stop. Alright.
This is Keisha trying to do stuff on the bars. Now I'm going to go around to the other side so I can get her face. Oh, she turned around again. Strike a pose, Keisha. I'm taking a video.
The beautiful Keisha.
This is Keisha, and we're at our last band competition for the year in Stockton. Who are you waving at?
You.
Oh.
Sorry.
I'm stepping back now. Whee! And then that's Brielle. Come on, Brielle, you can do it.
Do you want me to do something? I will.
Okay. I'm not taking a picture, I'm taking a video. Put it on YouTube.
I'll go upside down.
Gosh, you're like Monkey Woman. Keisha.
I used to be that good. I was better than
Strike a pose, Brielle. Oh, yeah.